Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a charming biscuit notebook using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need some paper for the pages, sturdy cardboard for the cover, reliable glue, and a good pair of scissors. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. This project is perfect for beginners and offers a fun way to create a unique item. Now, let's focus on creating the cover. Begin by cutting your cardboard to the exact dimensions you want for your notebook. Remember to account for the spine if you're making a thicker book. Next, carefully glue your chosen decorative paper onto the cardboard pieces, ensuring there are no bubbles or wrinkles. Trim any excess paper and smooth the edges for a clean, professional look. This step sets the foundation for your beautiful notebook. With your cover ready, it's time to add the pages. Fold and stack your paper neatly, ensuring all edges align perfectly. You can use a bone folder for crisp creases. Apply a strong, flexible adhesive along the spine of your stacked pages, then carefully attach them to the inside of your cardboard cover. Press firmly and allow plenty of time for the glue to dry completely. This ensures your notebook will be durable and long-lasting. Finally, let's add some personal flair to your biscuit notebook. This is where you can truly make it your own. Decorate the cover with stickers, drawings, or even a custom label. For extra protection and durability, you might consider adding a clear, self-adhesive cover. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your unique, handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.